Larry Ashley here with POL, and we just finished up our second Circle City cruise. Dude, I mean, what a success. The first one was fun, so we added another 10, 11 miles to this one. We ended up going over to Lake Matthews and then completely circled around the lake, which is a really nice drive. I mean, it's got some nice hills rolling through there, beautiful scenery. The best part, there was no stop signs or anything like that, so all the cars were able to stay together, and we were able to get a little bit of speed out of it as well.
My name's Emil Miller, and this is a '57 Chevy Gasser. My wife, which is in the car there, this belonged to her father, so it's been in our family about 40 years. It wasn't a Gasser at the time, but we had a dragster. We went racing, and my father-in-law was my crew chief, and we always wanted to build a Gasser, so I figured as a tribute to him, I would turn this car into the Gasser that we never got to do. 383 small block Chevy in it with a 671 blower. It's about 700 plus horsepower. Turbo 400 trans with a 3000 stall converter. It's got a 9-inch Ford rear end in it, 410 gears, posi. That's about it pretty much.
My name is Ori Zamora. We got a '65 Mustang set up like a Hertz tribute car. It's a 347. It's been a project of love for about 7 years now. The fuel injection is a really nice modern thing. It's got 275s in the front, 315s in the rear. It's set up almost for track racing. Willow Springs is next.
Nice.
Thank you for shopping with POL at performanceonline.com. Subscribe to our channel for more how-tos, featured customer rides, event coverage, and more. That's POL at performanceonline.com.